Hello! I'm gonna do a bike video on my bike, which is right here. That's the new 2015 Sunday Fun Day. It's so cool, right? It comes with see, 4 wheels. You got one, you got 2 there, and then you got this one, and you got this one. Yeah, see that? It comes with a flat tire and everything. It's nice. If you was to ever ride one of these, boy, talking about fun. Yeah, it's hard to do this. Well, they could have made it a lot better. You got like maybe a 30-tooth sprocket, all one piece crank set. You got a, not sure what kind of hub that is, but probably maybe a 20-tooth something. I'm trying to think. And you got all that. Well, like if you like whatever the video if you liked it.